Tab key are working. F key, not working. This key, which I don't even know how to call it, is not working. Enter, not working. Function is not working. Sorry. Wrong thing. I think the rest are working. The one that are not working for sure are the tab, the enter, the F key, this key. These I think work. I think the rest work.